Here they are. Maybe Jimmy wants to come out here for a
Apple,
second.
the other one apple.
Yeah, right there. That's the other one.
Big enough.
Alright.
Good cherry couple on it.
She's still chasing me around with that camera wing. That's what she said.
Is it on sound too?
When she was at the
Really?
gas pump, she said, "Hi, I'm 25 and I have a camera."
I can't go out with you this weekend, by the way.
Why not?
She said, "I'm 25."
No, thank you. I'm trying to watch my
25 and I have a
calories.
camera.
Jason, you guessing?
Sure. He's 100 or 286.
286. 286. 6'3" and a quarter. 286. Yeah.
And that quarter goes depending on the weight.
No. Yeah, I do. Jeff's gonna be very angry because I'm not working right now. I want him to know.
Well, you're here on business.
Jeff's
so
gonna
we'll
be
have to come
really-
and see
He's
you.
gonna be very angry at me. What's in here?
That's lemonade, black cherry.
Oh yeah. Can I have 2 cups?
Do we have any alcohol?
Have whatever you want.
Wade.
Go home and have it.
What, alcohol?
I can go home.
No,
You're
I
giving
don't
me
care.
permission?
Today's the boy's birthday.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Wade
Can Shannon come over here too and be in the
Jason,
camera? Can Shannon be on camera
and
with us?
Scott. Mitch is out right now.
You want to feed me?
No.
Okay.
Do you want your napkin?
You have something on your chin.
That's
Dirt?
that's
All right.